In Pakistan's current educational landscape, students face a lot of disruptions due to political instability, security concerns, and institutional closure. In recent years, educational institutes have remained closed for approximately 20 to 30% of the academic calendar, leading to the major loss in learning continuity. As a result, students are forced to rely on online learning platforms. Traditional platforms don't have engagement and personalization, and there is no effective way to check whether a student is truly attentive or understanding the material.
From the instructor perspective, the challenge is equally critical. Teachers have limited visibility into student engagement.
Organization. Have you guys understood?
And cannot effectively evaluate whether their content is delivering the intended outcome. This lack of interaction creates a gap between teaching and learning, highlighting the urgent need for a more intelligent and adaptive system.
Hi, I'm Mariam Nurulan, and I am Saida Farnas. We are presenting LearnHUB,
an AI-powered adaptive interactive video ecosystem with multimodal analytics.
Under the supervision of Mr. Amar Ahmed Khan, Professor Dr. Mudassir Raza, and Dr. Faraz Ahmed from Beijing-Norman University.
Our motivation behind this project is to bridge the gap between the passive online learning and the active student engagement. LearnHUB introduces a unique approach by combining AI-driven attention detection with interactive learning. It integrates facial emotion and attention analysis through webcam-based monitoring to assess student focus in real time. The system features an interactive player that dynamically responds to users' behavior by creating quizzes whenever attention stops.
Technically, our emotion detection module is trained on FER 2013 dataset, while quiz generation follows a pipeline of video-to-text transcription processed through a large language model. All analytics are stored and presented through dashboard for both students and instructors, enabling continuous improvement. In the future, LearnHUB aims to become a fully adaptive platform that adjusts content based on student emotion and learning pace. LearnHUB, transforming disconnected learning into intelligent and personalized education.